So this is how you file. I guess I put a bit of fear on that. So let me show you how now to file the 2025 income tax. So you go to your iTax portal, and the iTax portal provides that dashboard. It is giving you information about your sales, about your purchases. It is even your imports. It's able to give you information about imports and the imports and also exports. And by the way, for people who are doing exports, we realize that the system has some issues. I'll mention the issues that we have realized. Let me first show you how to file. So you pick you click proceed to be able to download. We are downloading the zip file for you to be able to file the income tax. So I know you know so you open the zip file or return file, or ITIMS data can be accessed for cross-checking before filing. So you can be able to download ITIMS data. So one of the things that we have realized when we download the ITIMS data, that one I didn't put here, we have realized that some of those ITIMS data has duplication. It has duplication. So you find your VAT sales is 30 million, but when you go to ITIMS data, it is giving you 35 million, 36 million. That is, when you realize that those figures are not matching, go one by one. Na kama unafailiwa na mtu ako na uzembe, talk to us, because some of those things are going to create a crisis when you file wrongly. Go one by one and look at that additional money. Where is it coming from? Because the ITIMS data has a bit of duplication. So ISPAC, through ISPAC and KRA, a meeting that happened last week, they say that those duplication will be automatically, with time, they have realized they are duplication. So with the time, they are going to be removed from the system. So if you just pull the ITIMS data, it is giving you 35 million for sales, and you just use it as it is. When duplication happens, when the reconciliation happens and it lowers to 30 million or something like that, then there will be issues. So check your data, both for sales and for purchases. Some of us created credit notes, but credit notes did not go through. So just audit the ITIMS data. Don't just pull it and just use it as it is. So audit the ITIMS data, compare that data with the data that you're having for your sales and for your purchases. So that is number one. After counter checking that, then we come to now do the return. So download the auto-populated return, navigate the file return, and I'll share the notes with you. So don't worry, I'm going to share the notes with you. So this is how you're going to do it. So this is how you're going to download the auto-populated IT company return. So the first time we are doing the checking the ITIMS data, then here we come and do, we download the income tax company return. So this is how it looks like. It has pre-populated information. So previously there was not this section. Some of these sections we used to fill them. But now the sections come pre, it can be able to pull information from the iTax portal and populate some of this information. So if you had withholding taxes, you're going to find it there. Some of this information, we were inputting them manually. So it's also a good way so that you don't make errors. It will just give you the information by itself. Installment taxes, if there were installment taxes that you had done, you're going to find them there. Pre-filed for you. So even the payment registration number will be there. But as we say, do confirmation of everything.